It's a good idea to put together a preparedness kit, or go bag, for yourself and your family that is ready to grab at a moment's notice. Everything you need for your kit is listed right in the Pasco County Disaster Guide, found on our website, mypasco.net, and in the My Pasco app. Many of these items are probably already in your home. Start packing your kit with the basics: drinking water, foods that your family actually likes to eat. If your family doesn't eat a certain food, they most likely won't want to eat it during a disaster. As for the canned foods you do like, make sure you include a manual can opener. Include a week's supply of medicine for you and your family, along with a first aid kit and hygiene items, like toothbrushes, diapers, and extra clothing. Write down important phone numbers. You'll want to gather your important paperwork, like medical records and insurance documents. Be sure to keep all that paperwork in a sealed plastic bag so they won't get wet. Remember, when the power goes out, there's a possibility that it won't come back on for a while, so toss a book and some games into your go bag. Whether you shelter in place, go to a shelter, or evacuate, having these items gathered and ready to go at a moment's notice will help you reduce your stress when dealing with a disaster.